Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and that's the way to do it, is send me the Corel file. The sizing of this logo is grayed out, and you can resize it, but you can't. Well, it's working. I didn't even think about that, but you can't type in there. Let me back up to the original size. You can't type a number to resize it. You could pull the handles. He might have said that in his email. But anyway, I noticed that the yellow box was locked. So I'm going to go to Windows, and he sent me a second email because he realized, or he knows that he could take the Smart Fill tool and make a new unit. Let's just do that real quick. If this thing, see, it's 4 inches or 5 inches. Let's make it 6. You could take the Smart Fill tool, nudge this over. Pretty cool logo, I like it. And then if you watch, the sizing tools work, and you could make it 101% bigger or 1% bigger. But that's not what the video, well, that's a remedy, but he already knew that. Let's back up here till we get the regular logo. I went to Windows and Dockers and Objects, and I don't understand SVG data, and everything's locked. You can see the rectangle's locked. I can unlock it now. I can check the rectangle. I can delete it. I can take the data and I can unlock all this stuff, and I can delete the data. I can delete the data, and I can delete, then I can get back on my logo, and there's your sizing box. So if you wanted to make it 150%, it'll work. I don't understand, but it worked. I mean, it's something with whoever, I don't understand layer 1 SVG attributes. Maybe somebody else would chime in, but that's really beside the point. You can do whatever you want to with it now. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.